Document launch doc. See the death certificate launch doc document. Getty Composite. Richard Donner, the legendary director of Superman, Lethal Weapon and many other famous films, suffered from heart disease and died of heart failure, according to his death certificate. The document says Donner died at his home in West Hollywood on the morning of July 5, and the immediate cause of death is listed as cardiopulmonary failure. The death certificate lists atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease as an underlying cause of his passing, as well. On a lighter note, according to the document, Donner was a film director for 65 years, meaning he started his iconic career in the late 50s. As we told you, Donner was one of the most beloved figures in Hollywood who got his big break with 1976's The Omen, which led to the Superman and Lethal Weapon franchises. Has also known for flicks like Lady Hawk, The Goonies, Scrooged, and Conspiracy Theory. Richard was 91.